Welcome to Binance Academy's Cryptocurrency Deep Dive course. This intermediate-level course builds on the knowledge you gained in our beginner course called Crypto Fundamentals, taking your understanding to the next level and giving you a comprehensive look into the world of cryptocurrency across 5 sections. The course will also delve into how you can interact with cryptocurrencies, crypto wallets, and exchanges, and provide an overview of the future of cryptocurrency. In Module 1.1, we'll take a thorough look at money, a concept we previously touched on in our beginner courses. Money plays a significant role in our lives. From buying groceries to funding university savings accounts, money has remained an integral part of how we live since we were just children. But what exactly is money? Merriam-Webster defines money as something generally accepted as a medium of exchange, a measure of value, or a means of payment. This is similar to what we widely accept as the function of money. Generally, money serves the following functions. A medium of exchange. Money is used as an intermediary in trade to avoid the inconveniences of a barter system. A unit of account. Money acts as a common measure of value. You can compare the price of a slice of pizza at 2 stores using their dollar-denominated price to know which one is cheaper. A store of value. Money can store value over time, but this is only true if the money's value remains stable. If you save $5,000 in a savings account, it's serving as a store of value over time, transferring purchasing power from the present to the future. Sometimes money is also considered as a standard of deferred payment, allowing people to settle debts over time. In order for something to be considered money, it must fulfill the above functions and also ideally have the following properties. Acceptability. It must be widely accepted to pay for goods and services. Divisibility. Money should be divisible into smaller units. Durability. Objects used as money must withstand physical wear and tear. Portability. People need to be able to take money with them as they go about their daily lives. Scarcity. Money must not be easily available. There must be some control over its supply. Fungibility. Any 2 units of money must be identical to each other in terms of what they will buy. For instance, $1 bill should be the same as another dollar bill. Throughout history, however, different things have been used as money that didn't necessarily have all of the above properties. Let's look at a brief history of money to understand the transition money has undergone over the last few millennia. Barter system. Before money existed, people engaged in barter during prehistoric times, directly exchanging goods and services. Commodity money. Certain commodities began to be used as a form of money due to their practicality and intrinsic value. These commodities included grain, cattle, shells, beads, and salt. Metal coins. Minted coins were discovered in many places around the world many centuries BC. Paper money. As metal coins were heavy and cumbersome for large transactions, paper money emerged and provided greater convenience. This happened at different times in different countries, but initially emerged around the 11th century. Gold standard. Many countries adopted the gold standard from around the 1870s, a system where the value of a country's money was directly linked to gold. For instance, the US dollar was defined as 0.048 troy ounce of gold in the period from 1834 to 1933. Fiat money. Fiat money is what we use today. It's paper or coin money that is designated as legal tender by the government, but it's not backed by a physical commodity like gold. The value of fiat money comes largely from the public's faith and confidence in the stability of the government that issues it. Digital and cryptocurrencies. Today, money is becoming increasingly digital, with transactions often taking place electronically without the involvement of any physical money, like paper or coin money. Crypto entered the space in this era of money and represents a groundbreaking shift in the concept. We'll look into this shift a bit later. Now that we have a better understanding of money's functions and properties, we must also learn another key concept related to money: inflation. Inflation is a sustained increase in the price level of goods in an economy over a period of time. Basically, inflation reduces the purchasing power of money. In other words, your money loses its value over time. Several factors contribute to the inflation of fiat money. One of the most significant factors is the government's power to print money at its discretion. This increases the supply of money, leading to inflation. In fact, the world's major central banks have printed massive amounts of money in the tens of trillions since the global financial crisis in 2008. In some countries, such as Argentina and Zimbabwe, monthly inflation is as high as 50% or more, which is commonly referred to as hyperinflation. It significantly erodes the real value of the local currency as prices increase so dramatically. So, where does cryptocurrency fit in? Crypto represents a fundamental revolution in money. Powered by blockchain technology, crypto is a digital currency that uses cryptography for security and is not issued by any trusted party such as central banks. Instead, it operates as a decentralized network spread across many computers that manages and records transactions. This gives crypto some unique features, including decentralization, security, trustlessness, transparency, censorship resistance, and permissionless. Dubbed the people's money, crypto is not controlled or regulated by any governments or central banks. On the contrary, crypto is run on a network of computers spread across the globe and is maintained by a community of users who validate transactions. By removing the middlemen in financial transactions, crypto offers more financial inclusivity, especially for people in countries with unstable currencies or those who don't have access to traditional banking systems. Another critical property of crypto is that some have a fixed total supply, including the biggest crypto, Bitcoin. Bitcoin has a maximum total supply of 21 million, which is coded into the Bitcoin protocol by its creator, Satoshi Nakamoto. This is a stark contrast to fiat currency, where central banks have the capacity to print an unlimited amount of money. We'll learn more about these features as we go through this course. In the next module, we'll examine the history of cryptocurrency.